Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use the camera triggers in Geometry Dash. Now to make things easier, I'm going to be focusing my camera to this specific block right here. So I'm just going to click on the edit group and then I'm going to add this as group 2. So from there, let's navigate through our triggers and then let's simply use one of the camera triggers right here. Basically with the first camera trigger that I use, it's going to be the zoom trigger. Now it's going to be self-explanatory. It will just point or zoom to our character right here. And then the thing that I'm going to be using is the static trigger. Basically with this one, you could just place it wherever you want to. In my case, I'm going to be placing it in my starting position. Let's click on edit object. Let's target our block ID, which is going to be this one. And basically from there, it's going to focus at least 2 seconds. And then I'm going to click on touch trigger and then I'll enable the ease in effect right here. So if you play out the level, it should simply look something like this, where it will just focus on this specific block. And after 2 seconds, it should basically end right here. So generally, that's how you do this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.